Today we are going to change iPhone 11 back glass. So this one is a laser cutting machine. So this one is a new back panel, and there are some tools, and this one is the breaker tool. So let's start the breaking the glass using this tool. I'm breaking the glass using breaker. So here we can see the wireless magnetic coil. So be careful here. We don't have to damage that magnetic coil. Here I'm using the cutter to cut the small glass pieces. Okay, the magnetic coil has safe. I'm fast forwarding the lengthy process. So I'm breaking the glass using breaker. Done. I'm removing the all existing glue for the better finishing. So here is the new back panel. I'm removing the sticker. I'm applying the black glue on the every corner of the phone, and after that just paste the back panel. You can use the rubber bands instead of sellotape. I've applied sellotape on every edge of phone. We can remove the sellotape after 2 hours, and the phone will be ready for use. Thank you.